Hi everyone, this is Ads here from Herman's RV Holidays. I'm currently in Herman on the M3 and apparently there's like 20 odd minute delay, so I thought I'd get my intro in. It is Monday the 11th of December and it is the weekend, it's the day after all that horrible snowy wintry weather that we had. I am going to Letchworth to my on-site place of work again, and I'm going to be camping at Ashwell again most of the week. Now why am I taking Herman though in this horrible weather? Well, this week I have not one but two Christmas parties to go to. I have one in Letchworth with the people I work with, and basically the customer, and I have one with the actual company I do work for. So that's going to be pretty awesome. So one in Letchworth and one in Henley on Thames. So I'm going to be traversing the country. It's not that far. About 70 miles. And of course I've got a cold. I've got a terrible cold over the weekend. Started about Wednesday, Thursday, and then over the weekend really did kick off. Got the shivers, all that kind of thing. Terrible cough, but hopefully I'm getting over it. And Herman is going to keep me lovely and cozy and dry throughout the rest of the week. Okay, so we made it. The further north I went, the more snow I saw on the roads. It got a bit treacherous at places. But anyway, yeah, we're here. So I've got to do some work now, and I'll meet you at the campsite. Okay, I've made it to the campsite. It is now about 7 o'clock in the evening. Pitch black, freezing cold, and there's ice everywhere. Apparently, they've had about a foot of snow here. And of course they're not allowed to clear this kind of stuff anymore. They're not allowed to shovel it away or put grit down or anything. Anyway, it is a bit dangerous. So, I don't know if you can see my breath. It's very cold in here at the moment. It is warming up though. I've got my heating sorted out. Herman's heater is on, and I've got a heater down here, electric heater. That'll probably be running all night. It's just for me now to get ready and go up the road to the local pub and get some rum. Made it to the pub, just about though. Coming out of that campsite, it's like sheet ice. I thought I was going to be going hungry. I was just going to walk back to the motorhome. But anyway, I made it. Bumped into Santa Claus, and yeah, I'm just waiting for my meal now. Oh, it's blooming what? My God, it's hot in here. Whew! Really warm in here, really cold outside, and it's a starry night, clear, beautiful sky with all those stars, which means tomorrow it's going to be like hell on the roads, I think. Yeah, so tomorrow looks like I'm going to have to be a bit more careful on the roads, and we have our first Christmas party tomorrow. I think it's bowling we're going to do. Looking forward to it, well, other than the driving. Anyway. I'm heading out now. Let's see how this goes. I've just seen a Heimer leave. They didn't seem to have any problems. A more modern vehicle. So hopefully we're not going to have any problems either. I already know I'm going to have a problem getting off of here, and on the out part of here is actually on a little slope, so that could be a bit dodgy as well. If I go forward, I'm going to wheel spin. You watch. Yeah, wheel spin. So I'm going to go back a bit, because now I should be off the ice. Second gear. There you go. Let's get some fans on. Wow, listen to all that crunching. Now, you would have thought they would have the gate open. No. So now I'm moving. I've got to stop. And it's sheer ice there. Hopefully there's nobody coming. Oh, it's actually okay here. No ice here, which is fine. So I'll do this one first. Now, on my way to and from the pub last night, I had to walk on this. It was a nightmare. This is the point where I thought, I'm not going to be able to walk to the pub. This is ridiculous. But anyway, I walked along the edge. Now, going down a slope here, and at the end is the road, the main road. So, and it's kind of blind, so that's not looking good. We're going to go left. Don't ever go right. The town of Ashwell is quite narrow for caravans and motorhomes. I know, I've tried it. Okay, so clear to the right, clear to the left. We're in first. Wunderbar! That looks amazing. Last time I was here in the summer, it was all like a very light tan brown with the corn and the crops. Everywhere was like this really warming brown. It was lovely. And now look at it. It's just a plough field and white and mucky and beautiful looking. So that was pretty uneventful. Not too sure what we're going to be doing later on though, because whether or not I go straight to the bowling alley in Herman, I don't know if we can get into the car park, or we go back to the campsite and get a cab. Anyway, I guess I'll decide throughout the day. Okay, so that is me done for the day. What I've decided to do is, from where the place I'm working, head directly to the bowling alley, because I found out taxi ride from the campsite £30 one way, so there's no way I'm going to be spending that kind of money. I thought I'll just take my time, go down to it's only a couple of junctions, like a quarter of an hour drive from here. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I mean, I don't expect the beer to be great at the Hollywood Bowl, but so I don't think I'm going to be missing out on much. Anyway, I need to quick change and we'll be on our way. Okay, so yeah, we had a pretty good night. That was really good fun. I didn't do very well though. However, I did win a certificate. Congratulations, Adam Leach is the funniest bowler. Now, not too sure what they meant by that, but maybe it's because I was bowling with my left arm rather than my right. I'm right-handed. Yeah, I've got a pain in my arm just there, which I thought I'll give that a rest and use my left arm. It's easier than I thought it would be, but I didn't get very high scores at the bottom of the table. But can you hear that? That is rain. It's raining outside, which is awesome. That means the snow and the ice and the chances of slipping are going to be a lot lower than they were this morning. So something to look forward to in the morning. I don't know. Slush and no ice, possibly. I don't know. Anyway, okay, so see you tomorrow. Okay, I am now in Henley-on-Thames, just about to do a day's work here. This is my office, and as you may have noticed, there is no snow around. It rained last night quite heavily, and all the snow's gone. Amazing. But next time you'll see me, I'll be at the campsite getting ready for tonight's party. Yeah, so see you then. Okay, so I'm at my next campsite, getting ready for my next party. Campsite I'm at is Henley Four Oaks Caravan and Motorhome Club site. It's cost me £12 to camp here. Pretty amazing, don't you think? It's better than a hotel, right? Anyway, I've got to go and get changed and get ready for the party. Right, I'm ready for the party. Looking quite smart. I think it's a black tie thing, so I'm not that smart. Anyway, let's get on to the party. I wonder if Henley has some sparkly lights and that kind of thing. They didn't really have much last year, but hopefully they have some this year. Morning everybody, it is about 7:30 in the morning on the night after the party, and I'm feeling okay, a little bit croaky. I always get a bit croaky with the beer, but anyway, that was a great time actually. It was a lot better than a lot better than last year, let's put it that way. The food there was amazing. It was a pretty good Christmas dinner, to be quite honest. This morning is Friday and I'm gonna head over to the office and do some more of that work stuff. Take a look at this. This is what happened last night when I came back doing your teeth, you know, that kind of thing. And see if you can notice anything. So there's one mirror. Hello, one mirror. Yeah, I noticed it was coming off. It's down there, look. Noticed it was coming off here, and I thought, oh, that's a bit pushing it. I thought that's a bit weird, and then I kind of just got a finger behind it, and then all of a sudden it kind of come off. So that's something I've got to fix. Always fixing something in Herman, aren't I? Eh? Always fixing something. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please do hit that subscribe button. There's also a little bell down now, a little bell notification symbol, which allows you to well, get notifications of when videos go live and all that kind of thing. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video, he says croakingly a bit. Bye bye now. For my next Christmas party. So, see you in a bit. Yeah, that didn't work out. Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed, or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates, or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.